Hello, and thank you for attending my poster presentation. Our topic is on developing an evidence-centered model for computational thinking in virtual worlds with children with autism. Computational thinking was a term popularized by Jeanette Wing in 2006, where she described it as a problem-solving strategy which employs computer science principles. Online virtual worlds have been used for educational purposes since the debut of Linden Lab's Second Life and have proven useful for situated learning and also computational thinking. Learners diagnosed with autism spectrum disorder are underrepresented in immersive learning research, but stand to benefit greatly from expertly designed virtual environments tailored to their specific needs. Based on these 3 points, our study has worked to develop a computational thinking, evidence-centered model. This model has been derived from theory in computational thinking. The model involves 5 computational thinking core competencies: decomposition, abstraction, algorithmic thinking, evaluation, and generalization. There are also 3 dispositions of computational thinking: tolerance for ambiguity, persistence, and collaboration. Connected to these dimensions are at least 2 identifiable behaviors that are relevant to computational thinking. These are the behaviors that were observed during behavioral coding. On the right-hand side of the model are some tertiary modifiers. For the computational thinking core competencies, we have the behavior being performed independently or with assistance. And for the dispositions, they can be either weak, strong, or undesirable. These tertiary modifiers were not included in the preliminary reliability calculation. In order to calculate preliminary reliability, 634 minutes of recorded learning sessions which took place in an online virtual world was coded separately by 2 researchers. In the image, you can see the online virtual world where the learning sessions took place. In the center is the participant. On the left-hand side is the subject matter expert and guide. And then on the right-hand side are 2 observers. Researchers consulted their coding in order to reach 100% agreement on these 634 minutes of recorded learning sessions. Following that, researchers coded an additional 166 minutes and used these ratings to measure preliminary reliability. This was calculated by dividing the sum of all codes in agreement between the 2 researchers by the total number of codes entered. In doing this, a preliminary reliability measurement of 86% was achieved. With this measurement, we can carry forward in our study using this model to code the behaviors of children with autism who are demonstrating computational thinking in online virtual worlds. If you have any questions, here is my email, and below that are the references that I used in this presentation. Thank you.